Imagine you've just stumbled upon a shiny new bank, promising the moon and the stars. It's sleek, it's modern, and it's called Lunar Bank. But is it really safe to entrust your hard-earned money to this celestial newcomer? Let's face it, in today's digital age, banking has evolved. Traditional brick-and-mortar banks are increasingly giving way to innovative, online-only institutions. Lunar Bank is one such player, captivating users with its user-friendly interface, enticing features, and competitive interest rates. But, as with any financial institution, the question of safety looms large. Is your money secure in the hands of a digital bank? Can it weather financial storms? Let's dive deep and uncover the truth. Safety first, understanding the basics. Before we delve into the specifics of Lunar Bank, let's quickly recap the fundamental aspects of banking safety. Regulation. A bank, whether traditional or digital, must adhere to strict regulatory guidelines. These regulations ensure that the bank operates ethically, transparently, and responsibly. Insurance. Most banks, including digital ones, are insured by government-backed insurance programs. This means that your deposits are protected up to a certain limit, even in the event of bank failure. Security measures. Strong cybersecurity measures are paramount in the digital age. Banks, especially digital ones, invest heavily in robust security systems to safeguard customer data and prevent cyber attacks. Lunar Bank, a closer look. Now, let's turn our attention to Lunar Bank. How does it stack up against these safety standards? Regulation. Lunar Bank operates under the regulatory framework of country's regulatory authority. This means it is subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional banks in that country. Insurance. While specific insurance details may vary, Lunar Bank is likely insured by the government-backed deposit insurance scheme of its operating country. Security measures. Lunar Bank employs advanced security technologies, including encryption, firewalls, and multi-factor authentication, to protect customer data and prevent unauthorized access. Additional factors to consider. Beyond the basics, here are a few more factors to consider when evaluating the safety of Lunar Bank. Financial stability. A bank's financial health is crucial. Look for indicators like strong capital reserves, steady growth, and a diversified loan portfolio. Customer support. Reliable customer support is essential. A responsive and helpful customer service team can address concerns and resolve issues promptly. User reviews and ratings. Online reviews and ratings can provide valuable insights into a bank's reputation and customer satisfaction. The verdict: is Lunar Bank safe? Based on the information available, Lunar Bank appears to be a safe and reliable digital bank. However, it's important to conduct thorough research and consider your individual needs before making a decision. While digital banks offer convenience and innovation, they also come with certain risks. It's essential to be cautious and avoid falling for scams or phishing attacks. Always verify the authenticity of emails and messages from your bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.